Bo. Bo. Lolo.
Vending machine. Hi, Lolo. What are you doing? Wow, what nice and colorful tokens. Do you know what to do with them? Just look at this treats vending machine. It's quite a thing. Lolo, do you know how to match your tokens to these treats? Let's find the right tokens together. What would you like to try first? Banana is yellow. It means we need a yellow token. What's next, Lolo? You want some strawberry juice, Lolo? It's red. We need a red token. It's now time for a lollipop, Lolo. What color is it? Right, Lolo. It is green. And you need a green token. Oh no, Lolo. It's gone. What should we do now? Brilliant idea, Bo. Do you want to use a vacuum cleaner to get the token? Great, Bo. You've done it. It was so nice of you, Lolo, to remember about your friend.